This is Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research with world-class benchmarking for Malee Group Public Company Limited. Here's a little personal note. In 1995, I wrote my first report on this company. Now, let's revisit it and see where it is. First, a little background on the company. Malee Group Public Company Limited was founded in 1964, and they produce and distribute products for domestic and overseas markets. It's engaged in manufacturing canned food, beverages, vegetables, and meat under its Malee, First Choice, Hunter, and Farmer brand names. It holds about 25% market share in the premium fruit juice market in Thailand. Let's take a look at the size of the company. It's almost $400 million US company with $3 million in average daily turnover. The beta is about a 2, so it's got a high volatility. It's in the consumer sector staples industry under food, beverage, and tobacco. So now, let's take a look at what's going on at the company. The products under the Malee brand are divided into two groups. Beverage products, which are juices, coffees, water, and milk, and processed food and refreshments, which are canned fruits, sweet corn, and ready-made refreshments. The company also does contract manufacturing, producing goods in accordance with customers' requirements under their brand. For example, Chok Chai Farm milk and Howdy fruit juice are two that they contract manufacture. The contracts can be for daily consumer products, products that contain vitamins or nutrition necessary for daily intake. Functional products are food that have added vital nutrients and vitamins, and mass products for basic refreshment. Malee's main export markets are Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Vietnam, and China. The company's production takes place in Thailand and also in the Philippines through a 49% owned subsidiary. The recent announcement of a 49%, 51% JV with Mega Life Sciences. By the way, check out my interview with Vivek, the CEO of Mega Life Sciences, on becomeabetterinvestor.net. It's quite an interesting interview. Anyways, and this JV partnership aims to develop scientifically proven natural food and beverage products for the domestic and overseas market. Let's look at a revenue breakdown by segment as of 2015. Own brands 54%, contract manufacturing 46%. And we can see the sales breakdown, 72% of sales are domestic in Thailand. So how does the company look on the world-class benchmarking scorecard? First, let's look at the chairman and CEO in this case, Chachai Bunyarat, and he has been in that position since 1995 to present. And what we can see for the performance over the past 5 years is profitable growth has been number 2 since 2014. It slipped to number 3 in 2013, but that's not too bad when you look at it. Very good performance for the last 5 years. That ranks among the best 112 of 560 large consumer staple companies globally. Now, let's talk about the profitability and growth. We can see that the profitable growth measure is being driven by profitability, which is ranked number 1, and that's return on assets. Growth has improved to number 4. Remember, growth is EPS growth. So we've seen improvement there, but profitability is world-class. Now, if you want to look at where is this coming from, we can see asset utilization drives the profitability. Asset utilization is the number 1. Profit margins of 4, which is still pretty good. And when we look at the other side of it, we can see that the margin change is a drag on growth. Margin change is about an average. And sales growth has been a number 2. Very good performance. So overall, an excellent performance by Malee. And for those people who knew Malee in 1995, you can say this company is a very different company now when I look at the profitability. Excellent job. Now, sign up for our newsletter and become a founding member at becomeabetterinvestor.net/join. Founding member subscription will close on the 31st of December, 2016. Then nobody gets the benefits that founders get. So we'll see you there at becomeabetterinvestor.net/join.